This is practice test number 1, and in this video we'll be working on problem 3a. We're told that a survey of store customers was conducted and found that 37% of males and 59% of females enjoyed shopping. And in question A, we are asked to complete the following contingency table, round to the nearest whole number, and answer the following question. And so this is the table that we want to complete. The question is of our customers is, did they enjoy shopping? In this row, we're going to have those who did enjoy shopping. They answered yes. And then in the second row, we're going to have those who said no, they did not enjoy shopping. And in the third row, we're going to have the totals. Now we see that our data is broken down according to the gender. In this column, we are dealing with the men, and we are told that 188, we're given this data point, 188 enjoyed shopping. To fill in the rest of the column, we know that that 188 who enjoyed shopping is 37% of the men. That's what we're told in the first statement here. So 188 divided by 37%, or 0.37 as a decimal number, is going to give us the total number of men in the survey. 188 divided by 0.37 gives us 508 men in the survey. Now, if there are 508 total men in the survey, we can subtract the 188 who enjoyed shopping, and that will leave us with the 320 who do not enjoy shopping. We can do the same thing with the women in the survey. We are given the data point here that 203 enjoyed shopping. We're told that that 203 is 59% of the women. So we would take the 203 divided by 0.59, or 59%. That would give us the total number of women in the survey, 344. And we're always rounding to the nearest whole number. Now if we take 344 total women, subtract the 203 who enjoyed shopping, that leaves us with the 141 who did not enjoy shopping. And then over here on the far right-hand column, we want to total up each row. And so we take the 188 and the 203, and that gives us a total of 391. 320 plus 141 gives us a total of 461. And what that means is we have 461 people in the survey who did not enjoy shopping. 391 did enjoy shopping. And we can do the same thing for the bottom row, 508, 344, and we end up with a total of 852 people who were surveyed. And so this completes the table, and now we are able to answer this question for letter A. What is the probability that a customer is a female? And so we can look at this bottom row. We have a total number of people in the survey of 852, and the total number of women in the survey was 344. So the probability that a customer was a woman in the survey is 344 divided by the total of 852 times 100. And if we rounded this to the nearest tenth place, we would have 40.4, which would be our answer.